What's up, YouTube? Kia ora koutou katoa, Nau Mai hoki mai ki Pukeroa Paoho for our first news broadcast of 2026.
We're now into our second week of school after starting back last Wednesday, and it's great to see everyone settling back into kura life.
You might notice we're filming from a new space this year, but everything else stays the same, sharing what's happening around our kura.
To start the year, we had a pōhiri to welcome new students, staff and whānau into our kura.
It was a special way to begin 2026, bringing everyone together with manakitanga and whanaungatanga.
Help make our pōhiri such a warm and meaningful welcome.
This week we were also lucky to have some international students visiting us from Taiwan who started the school year here at Rotorua Primary.
And today we're going to interview the new international students from Taiwan.
This is one of the international students from Turkey. And what's your name?
Mai.
Okay, his name is Mai. And do you like the school?
Yes.
Okay.
Ella, Oliver and what do you like about the school?
I like about the school is they don't have homework and the playground is very pretty.
Oliver, what do you like about the school?
There's no homework.
Umai, what do you like about the school?
This school is has no homework and the playground is pretty nice. Has a lot of parkour.
What is something that will remind you about this school?
The people was very nice. The goodbye ceremony.
We take an airplane for a long time and come to
Thank you for letting me and Nirosha interview you guys today. See you next time.
Okay, bye-bye.
Today is their last day with us, and it's been awesome having them a part of our kura, learning together, sharing culture and making new friendships.
We wish you safe travels and all the best. Thank you for being part of our Rotorua Primary whānau.
And finally today we've had our Tuakana Teina Day, where classes buddy up across the school.
Students took part in fun sport rotations, working together, supporting each other, and building connections across the kura.
Kia ora. I'm Nirosha and I'm here with my cameraman, Winter. Actually, today I have an idea that why don't we explore Tuakana and Teina? We make videos, we can tell it with you, we can tell how we do it, and it's obviously our class doing the Tuakana and Teina. Basically, I will tell you what is the meaning of Tuakana and Teina. Tuakanas are the seniors and Teinas are the little kids. Do some activities with their seniors, for example, reading books, playing, and etc. My class is playing basically this is the Pukaki 30 and the secret is it's my class and our Teina classes 35 and this is the I think other class, I'm not sure because I think some of our people are in it and This is the class and this is our class. And let's just come. We will interview my teacher, Farabella. Hi, Farabella.
Hi.
How are you?
Great.
Can you please tell us more about what they're doing and things?
So we just do a kanatona just means we get to know our young taonga, and it's a chance for our older taonga to look after them and learn manaakitanga.
Hello. What's your name?
Sammy. My buddy,
Okay.
he doesn't like me. He was running away like every single time.
Anything you like about Karere?
You just get to play games, have fun.
I have got someone from 55 so that we can interview, okay? Hi. Hi, what's your name? What's your name? Don't be shy, it's fine.
Yeah.
You don't want to tell your name? You sure? What's your age?
He wants to get him. He does
not What's your age? The little kids are just a bit shy.
My name's Cody.
Kura. What's your age?
10.
9.
Okay, 10 and 9. Anything you would like to say about this Karere?
It's very fun. We get to play all of these sports. And yeah.
Hi, Fire.
Hi.
Can we please interview you?
Do I have to be interviewed?
It's up to you.
Sure, give it a go.
Okay. What's your name?
By a T.
Okay. And can you tell us more about the Karere?
I would, but 5T's learning about it too.
Oh, okay. Anything you would like to say about the school?
Love it.
As a lot of people said that this school is really good, and also for your kind information, this is Rotorua Primary School in Rotorua. I think those who are the international students, those who are the students, those who are the teachers, principal, etc., they are the luckiest one to have Rotorua Primary. What I would say about Karere is we get to know each other. And we read books together, have fun, and we spend time with each other. So it's kind of like fun. I really like it. And if you want, with my suggestion, you should do it in your home as well. Not like making a line. You can do it with your family, like coming and doing some activities and spend time with them.
Such a great way to start the year. Seeing leadership, teamwork, and lots of smiles.
That's all for our first Pukeroa Paoho of 2026.
It's great to be back. We're looking forward to sharing more stories as the term continues.
Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share our channel so the whānau can stay connected with everything happening here at Adult Rotorua Primary.
Modi ora, kia pai tō koutou Wiki, and we'll see you next time on Pukeroa Paoho.